You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing name. Yes, I know the H here makes the spelling really awkward compared to the pronunciation. So it is, of course, located in the Tierra del Fuego in Argentina, and the Spanish pronunciation, therefore, that is used locally is as Ushuaia, Ushuaia. Yes, the H is not pronounced essentially, just ignore it. The English pronunciation is similar as Ushuaia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.